What's up, guys? I haven't made a video in a while just because of school and stuff like that, but I'm gonna try and make a little bit more videos. Woo! This ain't quick, boy. Yeah, I haven't posted a video in a while. I've just been busy with school, that sort of thing. I'll be making 2 videos a day instead of just 1. That way I'll have a video for next week also. What is up? Hi. So this week's topic is going to be on public speaking. I'm taking a public speaking class in college right now, and I just thought it'd be a good video because it's the #1 fear of people in the world. And I thought it'd be a good video to speak on. So, I'm gonna try and slow it down some so I can actually talk and not ride at the same time. The #1 fear in the world is apparently public speaking. I don't know, that's what my professor tells me. Anywho, the best way I've found out to get over public speaking is to just simply go out there and freaking talk. Talk to other people. Practice giving speeches. It doesn't have to be a speech, really. You can just go in front of people and just start talking. That's all public speaking is. It's just when you're actually giving public speeches in front of people, you tend to have it planned out. So you're not making up stuff, it's actual factual information. Like most of our speeches are probably around 10 minutes long. They're not long at all, but if you don't know what you're doing, it tends to catch up on you and you don't really know what to talk about. You get up there and that's what causes nervousness. For me anyways, it's when I go out there and I'm not prepared. That's when I get nervous. I think motovlogging helps a little bit. I mean, I'm talking to myself, but there's still other people. I mean, I'm talking to you guys. Hopefully you learned a little bit about public speaking. I mean, there's not really much to talk about. It's just get up there and speak. Practice before you give the speech. Give it in front of a mirror or whatever like that. I mean, that's what I do for my speeches. I've given 1 speech this past week and I've got another group speech this week, so it gets better as you practice. The more you practice, more speeches you give, the better you get at it. So like I said, if you're in high school, college, whatever, just get out there and practice, man. Practice makes perfect. That's what the saying is, right? Is my bike gonna stand up? This sand's pretty deep. Oh my god, it's gonna stand up. Wow. I didn't even bury the back tire. I want to see what these are. I think they're sweet potatoes. I'm not sure. Are they? Yeah, they're sweet potatoes. Look at that. Sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet potato. There's a whole freaking field of them. That's pretty cool. But alright guys, make sure you like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more moto vlogs, any topics you want to hear me talk about, just list it below and I'll try and get that for you. I'm going to try and post more videos, so maybe I'll get 3 today. I'm not sure. Well, I'm definitely getting 2, one on my dirt bike and one on my 4-wheeler, so make sure you look out for next week's video. It's coming up pretty soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.